No, you're fine. Hi, I'm Liv Elias. I'm here with Dr. Anni Yang, and I'm going to be interviewing her, asking her a little bit about her involvement here at the Department of Geography and Environmental Sustainability. So, Anni, tell me a little bit about your research here in the department.
Yeah, so I was broadly trained as a medical health geographer. So my research has been mostly focusing on to use GIS and geospatial technologies in understanding health-related questions. So my lab mostly conduct research under what we call like the One Health concept, which emphasize that not only human health is important, but also the animal health and the environmental health.
Yeah.
So to be completely address the human health research, we need to emphasizing that the interconnectedness between those three components: the human health, animal health, and environment.
What's one project that you have worked on that's kind of been your favorite and most intriguing for you?
Yeah, so well, I love every of my projects.
Okay. You love all your children equally.
Yeah, so one of the projects I might wanted to mention here is like one of the studies like we recently developed like the pilot study about like the urban tech project.
So, yeah.
So basically what we did is like we in most of like the tech research, it has been mostly focusing on like the rural areas. There hasn't been a lot of research trying to focus on like the urban areas. However, like the urban areas, like it has all those green spaces. You still get, you know, a lot of animals living around, sharing space with humans. So there is a likelihood for the tick-borne disease transmission. And specifically as geographers, like we cares about the environment, right? Yeah. So we particularly wanted to see like how does the macro and micro environments gonna impact the tick abundance.
So when you're working with your research and looking at the abundance of these ticks, what exactly are you looking for specifically?
So we basically wanted to understand what are the environmental factors are driving their abundance. So that will give us some better understanding of like the tick abundance and also the potential risk for people to get the diseases and things like that. And we also like following up research, we actually have been plans to work on this summer. We got those data, right? We got the tick samples, but we haven't do the, let's see, the pathogen analysis yet. So we are planning to screening like what pathogens they actually carrying. So that's something like we are planning to work on this summer.
Cool. So let's talk about a little bit more about your involvement in the Department of Geography and Environmental Sustainability. What classes do you teach here at OU?
Yeah, I have been teaching and developing like a bunch of courses, like the GES 2023 one you are in. So I'm regularly teaching that one. That is like one of our core courses for many of the majors in the departments, and also our minor students. If they are minoring in GIS, that is also a required course for them. And so that is one of the course I'm teaching, GS 2023. I forgot to mention the title, just in case the audience doesn't know.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad I got to hear about your research and your involvement in the Department of Geography and Environmental Sustainability.
Yeah, thank you for having me here today.
Of course.